Hey everybody, I'm back, and I'm gonna be eating Wendy's for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for 7 days. It's gonna go way better than Panda Express. Let's do this. Meal number 1, day number 1, alone in my car. Let's do it. I got a 4 for $4 meal. It's $4 and you can get 4 items. So I have nuggets, fries, a junior bacon cheeseburger, and a drink. They asked me what sauce I wanted for the nuggets. I said honey mustard. They gave me sweet and sour. That's not a good way to start this week. Oh yeah, this might be the best junior bacon cheeseburger I've ever had. Let's get up in these nugs. I gotta say, this sweet and sour I've never had. Let's check it out. It's not bad. I'm launching a campaign right now for Wendy's to bring back spicy nuggets. That was my favorite fast food item, and then one day they were gone. Please, bring them back. All right, so I'm finally home with the Wendy's. Wendy's is one of the only fast food places that has a salad option, and I always thought that was really cool. Do I ever get the salads? No. It's a Southwest chicken salad. Well, it looks pretty good, actually. This isn't even a challenge. I mean, I'm eating just like a good-looking salad. Honestly, I think the only person that I've seen eat a salad at Wendy's is my mom. I don't know what to do. I've never eaten a salad before. I'll just pour it all in. Oh, It's raining in Los Angeles, which is not normal, but I have the perfect breakfast to match the rain. I've got some breakfast chili. Here we go. I'm certain this is gonna ruin my day. Gotta get them crackers. It's great. Oh, it's so good. Can't believe I'm eating chili and drinking Sprite for breakfast. All right, I just had Wendy's delivered for the first time. I think I overordered. That was kind of the point because I did not have lunch, so I have to double down tonight. I got a sugar cookie. Oh, Baconator fries. I got a 6-piece nugget, Asiago Ranch Chicken Club with no tomatoes, cause I hate tomatoes. There's tomatoes on it. Ooh, it's good. These are not as hot, and they're a little soggy, but I get it. Hanging out here with Wendy. Wendy, how are the nuggets? How you make them so good?
She looks messed up.
You gonna bring back spicy nuggets? There's the morning of day 3. I don't really want to eat Wendy's anymore. I just feel like I have so much fast food in me. I don't need to eat a cheeseburger for breakfast because I got these cookies. I'm gonna eat cookies for breakfast because I'm an adult. All right, we're out here at Wendy's. We got Ramsey, who has never been to a Wendy's before. Ramsey got spicy chicken sandwich and Baconator fries. Damn. And then I got Dave's single, baked potato with chives and nuggets. Bring back spicy nuggets.
What's the verdict? Good?
Very good. Ramsey's about to have his first Frosty.
Nothing's
no,
coming
wait,
out.
It's going up, it was going up, it was going up. There you go, there you go. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. You're almost there. Oh!
It's not gonna make it.
Yeah. Yeah! Wendy's! To drink, I got a strawberry watermelon iced tea. I think. Some French fries for me and my dog. This taco salad. And it's just lettuce and cheese. It's just a thing of lettuce and cheese. And then they give you tortilla chips and their chili. I'm sure there's a better method for me to do it, but here we go. It's delicious. It tastes like I'm back in my high school cafeteria. Sounds like a dig on my high school cafeteria. It's not. Buffalo Grove High School had amazing taco salad. Morning of day 4. I'm still all right. I'm about to have 3 cheeseburgers today because it is Thursday.
I don't know what to think that.
Pretty good looking cheeseburger. Oh, hot. It is not that good reheated. It's lunchtime on 3 Cheeseburger Thursday. And I got a Dave's Double Cheeseburger. Am I ready for this? Probably not. Look at that. Double patty. Really meaty. The nugget and the honey mustard. The best combo. This is a great challenge. I just got home from work and I ordered, oh, my dog. We got the last cheeseburger for 3 Cheeseburger Thursday, and it's a big one. I just don't want it at all. In fact, I might throw up. Oh baby, it's here. I have the Baconator. I got a side salad. I think this is the double, which is 910 calories. Let's do it. Oh, it's bacony. Damn. It's really good. Honestly, side salad is gonna kill me, but this is all I need. I'm so thirsty, but I'm using the drink to prop up my phone. I'm gonna eat this spicy chicken wrap. Dang, this is really good too. Oh boy, I'm gonna regret doing this later. Okay, breakfast time. I have something delicious. I have apple slices and some chocolate milk. Makes me feel like I'm back in elementary school. Pop 'em. It's great chocolate milk. I got a limited menu item. It is the Southwest avocado chicken sandwich. A little bite.
Yeah, so it's a wooden team.
Wow, they're very good. I also got this limeade. Limeade, pretty good. I love Wendy's. I'm at my friend's house. It's his birthday, and I just got a whole bunch of Wendy's.
I invite him around more, but
Nuggets! Hey! There is 4 French fries, 1 chili, and 2 nuggets! We're supposed to have 72 nuggets, and we only have 12, and that's very sad. What do you think?
It's good.
All right.
We get it every time.
Oh, really?
No.
My stomach hurts really bad. I really don't want Wendy's today. This is the first day where I've really kind of hit a wall. I'm gonna do it, but it hurts. Do you know that I have a podcast? It's me, Michael Walker, and
Eric Wilson.
And it's called Tender Friends. You can check it out on iTunes and SoundCloud. Every single week, we review a new place that has tenders or nuggets. We review these tenders. I think they're pretty good, but you're gonna have to listen to the episode to really know what I think. All right, we got some more delivery for an early dinner on night 6. Big old box of nuggets. I also got a little cheeseburger for my girlfriend, because she's a cheeseburger lady.
Oh, cool.
What kind of burger did you get?
I don't know. A regular
I
cheeseburger?
think it's just a Dave's single. I've already had that. It's pretty good.
Oh, it's 2 patties.
Oh, is it? It's a Dave's double. I stand corrected.
Who's Dave?
Dave Thomas. Dave Thomas is the founder of Wendy's. All right, I just woke up. It's my last day, and it's breakfast time. I'm going to make Baconator breakfast tacos. We've got some Baconator fries that are left over. We've got some eggs, and we got the tortillas. Ow. 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 Right up in these tacos. Hot sauce. All right, well, it's breakfast. Let's see how they are. Oh my God. This is so good. This is just like the perfect breakfast taco.
Dang.
Yeah.
That's actually so good.
All right.
I was like not expecting that.
I'm living my dream. Basically sitting in a bath of Wendy's. Honestly, I'm gonna miss this challenge. And I'm very sad that I only have 1 meal left. I'm starting to tear up a little bit. One salad on the menu that I have not had, so I thought I'd get it. It's the Power Mediterranean salad. I don't really know what's in it. It's good. Because I got a salad, I figured they need to even it out with some garbage. So I got another thing of chili. And I got another spicy chicken go wrap because it's just so good. I couldn't say no. She asked me if I wanted a 99-cent cookie. Of course I want a 99-cent cookie. I got double chocolate. Look at that cheese pull. Wow. Oh, yum. All right, here we are. It's the last meal. For the last one, I wanted to get my favorite thing from Wendy's. I held off all week. Spicy chicken sandwich. It might be the best fast food item in general. Junior bacon cheeseburger, chili cheese fries, because why not go out with a bang? Oh yeah. Go ahead and lose this. Hair's been getting in everything that I've been eating. Here we go. The moment I've been waiting for. Thank you, Wendy's. This has been amazing. I feel like I should be super uncomfortable and upset. I just ate it 7 days in a row and I didn't eat anything else. But I could go there again tomorrow. This is great.